Look at these numbers for a second. 47 million views, 69 million, 55 million, and this one right here, 215 million views on a single video. These are 3D animated short films, and they are blowing up on YouTube right now. Cute characters, Pixar-style animation, barely any dialogue, and the channel's posting them completely faceless. Nobody shows their face. Nobody films a thing. And here's why people are rushing into this. At an estimated $4 to $8 RPM, a short film pulling tens of millions of views can earn an estimated $1,000 per upload. That's the kind of money these faceless channels are quietly making. But here's the part that's gonna mess with your head. The video playing on your screen right now, I made it 100% with AI. No Blender, no 3D software, no animation degree, none of it. Just Claude AI and a few tools I'm about to walk you through. See, making one of these used to mean a full studio, expensive software, and weeks of work. Not anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process to create a viral 3D animated short film with AI. From the idea, to the script, to the final render. Stick around till the end, because the last step is the one that actually makes these go viral. Alright, let's get into it. So let's get into it. For this whole thing, we're only using two tools, Claude AI and a platform called Higgsfield. Claude is the brain, it writes everything. Higgsfield is the muscle, it turns those words into actual animation. And here's the clever part. We're going to connect them together so they talk to each other directly. Once you see this, you'll get why it changes everything. First, the link to Higgsfield is in the description below. Click it and log in. Once you're in, look for the option that says MCP and CLI. Click on that. You'll see a few connection options pop up. Claude, Cursor, OpenClaw, Hermes. We want Claude, obviously. So next to it, hit the copy button on the MCP link. That little link is the bridge between the two tools. Keep it copied. Now jump over to Claude AI. Click your profile in the corner, go into Settings, and find the tab called Connectors. Click it. Then click Customize. You'll see a little plus icon at the top. Click that, then choose Add Custom Connector. Now here's where you plug it in. Give the connector a name. I'll just call mine Higgsfield. Then paste that MCP link you copied a second ago into the link field. Leave every other setting exactly as it is. Don't touch them. Hit Add. One last move. A Connect button shows up. Click it, sign into your Higgsfield account, and authorize it. And that's it. Claude and Higgsfield are now linked. Trust me, this one connection is what lets us generate a full 3D film without ever opening a single piece of animation software. Now here's where it gets good. To generate the film, you don't need some giant complicated prompt. You need a skill. And if you've never heard that word before, a skill is basically a pre-built set of instructions you load into Claude once, and from then on it knows exactly how to build these 3D films for you. No prompt engineering, no guessing. That's the secret sauce. I'm handing you mine for free in the description below. So let's load it in. Go back into Claude, click your profile, hit Settings, and head to Connectors again. Then Customize, just like before, but this time, instead of the Connector tab, look for the Skills option. Click it. This is where all your skills live. To add a new one, click the plus icon, then hover over Create Skill and click Upload Skill. Now grab that skill file from my description link and upload it right here. Give it a second, then head back to the main Claude screen. Click the plus icon in the chat, hit the Skills button, and look at that. Our skill is sitting right there, loaded and ready. And remember that Higgsfield connection from earlier? That's hooked in too. So now Claude has the brain and the muscle. That means everything's in place. The connection's done, the skill's loaded, and in the next step, this is where the magic actually happens. We start generating the film. Watch closely, because this part is honestly insane. Okay, this is the part you've been waiting for. Go into Claude, click the plus icon, and select the skill we just added. It drops you straight into a chat box, and from here, all you do is hit Generate. That's it. Now watch what happens. Claude starts interviewing you, like a real director asking what you want. First question, what kind of story? It gives you options: educational, crime, emotional drama, historical, comedy, mystery, or you can just describe your own. I'm gonna go with crime for this one. You pick whatever you're feeling. Next, how long? 1 to 2 minutes, 3 to 4, 5 to 8, your call. I'll keep mine short, 1 to 2 minutes, just so I can show you the full thing fast. Then it asks about your main character, adult or kid, and the art style you want. Pick yours and hit Generate again. Now here's the cool part. Based on every answer you just gave, Claude spits out 10 ready-made story ideas. 10. You don't have to think of a single thing, you just read them and pick the one that grabs you. I'll grab the one that fits my crime story, and hit Generate, and boom, Claude builds the full story outline. Every single scene mapped out in front of you. You can read through it, scene by scene. If you like it, you click Approve Outline and Build Shot List. Claude locks it in and starts breaking your story down into scenes, one by one. Then comes the handoff. Once the shot list's ready, you click Create Character, and this is where Higgsfield finally wakes up. It starts building your full character from scratch. Now you just sit back and wait, because from here on out, Higgsfield takes over and the actual animation begins. And trust me, when you see what comes out the other side, you're not going to believe it was made this easily. And there it is. Higgsfield starts pulling up your characters, the new ones it just built, plus any characters you've already generated before on the platform. That's a nice little bonus. If you've made characters in the past, you don't redo them, you just hit use, and they're back. Claude and Higgsfield worked this part out together, and a few seconds later, my characters are ready. 2 of them, perfectly matched to my crime story. Now you've got a choice. Don't love a character? Click Redesign Character and it tries again. Happy with them? Click Approve Character and Generate. And this is where the magic actually kicks in. Before it runs, Higgsfield shows you the cost up front. For me, it's about 204 credits, so you always know exactly what each scene's gonna run you. No surprises. Then you hit Generate Scene. And here's a tip most people miss. You don't do them one at a time. You generate act by act, 4 scenes at a time, so it moves way faster. I just type in what I want, generate 14 scenes, format 16:9, cinematic, short, and hit generate. Now Claude and Higgsfield go to work together. And honestly, watching these scenes render out is wild. Full cinematic frames, your characters, your story, appearing one after another. When the first batch is done, you click the first scene, and that kicks off the next batch automatically. 3-4 scenes at a time, rolling in. And if one scene comes out off, you're not stuck. One click, regenerate, and it builds a fresh version, so you stay in full control the whole way through. All right. So now it's just a matter of letting every scene finish. I'll speed through and generate them all, one after another. Once a batch of scenes is done, you head back to Claude. Type Next, hit the Generate button again, and it rolls right into the rest. Then Claude does something a lot of people don't expect. It offers to generate the sound and music for your film too. So you're not hunting for royalty-free tracks or worrying about copyright strikes. You just click, and it builds a soundtrack that actually fits your video, automatically. You'll see it appear right there. Now comes the collecting. You download everything one piece at a time, all your clips plus that music track. And don't worry, it's quicker than it sounds. To grab a clip, click Download, a little pop-up shows up, click Open Link, and the full clip loads. Then hit the 3 dots at the bottom, click Download, and it saves straight to your device. Same move for every scene, clip, open, download, next. Then do the same for your music. That's the whole library, all your scenes and your soundtrack, sitting on your device. And here's why we're being so careful to grab every piece. In the next step, we drop all of it into one place, stitch it together, and turn these separate clips into one finished, viral-ready 3D film. This is the final stretch. Let's go put it together. Last step, editing. And honestly, this is the easy part, because the AI did all the heavy lifting. Claude and Higgsfield already handed you the clips, the sound effects, and the music. All that's left is to stitch it together. Open CapCut, or whatever editor you already use, and hit Import. Drop in all your clips. Now lay them out on the timeline in order. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, all the way through. Once they're lined up, drag in that music track you downloaded, add your sound effects, and then have a little fun with it. CapCut's got transitions, effects, text, all of it built right in. Throw those between your scenes to make it feel polished and cinematic. This is the part that takes a raw render and makes it feel like a real short film. When the whole thing's looking good, you click Export, and your 3D animated short film starts rendering out. And that's it. That's the entire process. The video you saw at the very start of this, that's exactly how it was made. No studio, no Blender, no animation skills. Just Claude, Higgsfield, and one skill file. So now you've got no excuse, you can start your own Faceless 3D animation channel and tap into the same kind of views these channels are pulling in. The links to Claude, Higgsfield, and the free skill file are all down in the description. Go grab them and make your first one today. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It genuinely helps me out a ton. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video.